Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Sakawai pat kelempong yelak kai football, kedai kebala pelong da kebai chung Butia Football School. Kajaka aji kai kebala seng na kebenta ban kentiu yaki Khynnah badan sap bat Pyntbit ban yelak kai football. Ya kani kelempong jong kani ke sekolah pelong hakan riu ban nyau terik mentau benai leber senam arja kapra. Hamadan he stadium kebah maulai Port Muri. Kani ke Jacob kalong nak kebenta ban Jied iki Khynnah elak kai nak kebenta ban penrong hak Residential Academy jong ke Baichung Butia Football School kabadan hapo nong Bak Delhi. Ki Khynnah ki belawan simenta hak ni jilak kai ki don hadu ruspa ngut baro. Handai na pedang kini baro ki belasha Jied ki long tang lai pungut. Ka Patisi TV kalayor ban yakren bat u Chief Operating Officer jong ke Baichung Butia Football School u Ankit Arora. Nang ta u Alan sharing Butia u badai u coach jong ke kenhon nasikem bat u Hendrik.
Baichung Butia Football School has been running for the last 7 years. Primarily we started in New Delhi, but now we've spread to over 15 cities in India. Baichung Butia Football School Residential Academy is the first one that we're setting up in Gurgaon. This academy will primarily cater to talented players between the ages of 2003 and 2007. The objective of the academy is to find talent across India, bring them to a single facility, provide them the best kind of training that we can, and then give them the opportunity to become professional players in future. Scouting players from the northeast area, we've got a very good response. Almost 300 plus kids have come for the trials. From these trials, we'll select some of these players and take them for the final round of trials, which will happen in Gurgaon by the end of this month. And hopefully some of those players will get full scholarship, wherein we'll cover their education, we'll provide them quality training and competition, as well as we'll cover for their stay and food in that facility. The idea is to find talent locally and nurture it through our coaching staff, which is placed in Shillong. And if some of those players we identify over this year, we will also call them for the Residential Academy later this year. If a student gets a full scholarship that qualifies to around 4.5 lakh worth scholarship, that would cover their education, their stay, their food, their football coaching, training there, as well as the competition that they do. That's annually. So if a kid is selected, and he stays with our academy for the next 5 years, it's almost 20 lakhs that we're going to spend on each player to make, with the aim of making them a professional.
Kong abang approach Waichung ba set up ya academy hanya Shillong. Eka response ke jong kalong very good. Ni ba jengmut kalong kum ke jengmut jonga. Okay, kalong perkat start eka kickstart football coaching center ke jongi. Au benai December. Ni ba response kalong very good. We started in the first month. We got she's pa new Ngut Khynnah. We train under different age groups starting from 5 to 17, and then we don't Khynnah kibangi eye free coaching. Okay, some very good talented players kaba nila scout lupa. Okay, and then he don't kiway pada kibangi shim a fee marbeling shim fee because nimla ban pulut na lajong ba ni hapan seal coaches ni hapan seal kabay madan. Okay, as of now, we support the government, but then we will be approaching the government since the new government is coming up. Hopefully, the government as well will extend a helping hand in setting us an academy here in Shillong. And kalong kami kawairu kaplan kajungi hanya Shillong kaba ngilai keren ba ubaichung ba ngin set up a small residential academy in Shillong kaba kita around 20 kids in different age groups. We will be having under 10, under 8, and then under 13. And then that would be totally free. Okay, we won't charge anything from that kid. That means the kid who gets selected will be with us, will train with us for few years, and then kaladat nan tapat ngin dalai iba ulalong pakaba, lalong puraba ngin sapha sadeli. So with the helping hand of Baichung Bhutia Football Schools and Baichung as a person, it would be a great initiative, I would say.